Okay, continuing the example of f of xyz is equal to log xyz, that is of partial derivatives. Here log of e raised to 1 upon a1 plus a2 plus a3. So rule of logarithm, this power will become here backside of logarithm. Log of a raised to x is equal to x log a, that is 1 upon a1 plus a2 plus a3 into log e to the base e. Now log e to the base e is equal to 1. So answer is 1 upon a1 plus a2 plus a3. Okay, I am going to give you also dou f by dou y. Now look at this, dou f by dou y. Now we have to calculate y coordinate derivative. So we are adding h in the second coordinate. That means limit h tends to 0, f of a1 a2 plus h a3 minus f of a1 a2 a3 upon h. Our function is same. F of xyz is equal to log x plus y plus z. So limit h will tend to 0, log of x a1 plus y plus z minus log of a1 plus a2 plus a3 upon h. Again same, taking 1 upon h outside, logarithm, subtraction of logarithm becomes division, that is log of a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus h upon this. Now splitting the numerator, we get a1 plus a2 plus a3 upon a1 plus a2 plus a3, which is 1 plus h upon a1 plus a2 plus a3. Okay, now this 1 upon h is the power of this function using rules of logarithm. That means your term becomes limit h tends to 0, log of 1 plus h upon a1 plus a2 plus a3 raised to 1 by h. Again using the rules of that limit h tends to 0, 1 plus x raised to 1 by x. 1 plus x raised to 1 by x. So 1 plus here x raised to 1 by x. या x चा रेसिप्रोकल त्याची पॉवर पाहिजे. या x चा रेसिप्रोकल काय असणार a1 plus a2 plus a3 upon h. अपॉन h इथे प्रेझेंट आहे. सो आपण a1 plus a2 plus a3 ऍडजस्ट केली आहे न्यूमरेटर आणि डिनॉमिनेटरला. लॉग आणि लिमिट इंटरचेंज केले. सिन्स लिमिट ऑफ द लॉग इज इक्वल टू log of the limit. So we interchanging log and limit. Log of limit 1 plus h upon a1 plus a2 plus a3 raised to that a1 plus a2 plus a3 upon h into this remaining term 1 upon a1 plus a2 plus a3. Do you understand? Okay. So we get the answer dou f by dou y at a1 plus a2 a1 a2 a3 is equal to log of e raised to 1 upon this. Now again using rules of logarithm, this e raised to something is can be written as 1 upon a1 plus a2 plus a3 log e. Now log e to the base e is 1. So answer is again same, 1 upon a1 plus a2 plus a3. Similarly, dou f by dou x answers and dou f by dou y has same answer. So similarly, dou f by dou z is also gives you the same answer, 1 upon a1 plus a2 plus a3. You try it and check it if the answer is same or not. Okay, do you understand? Now we consider one more example. Find dou f by dou x and dou f by dou y at x0 y0 if f of xy is equal to sin x plus y. Now our function is sin x plus y and we have to find dou f by dou x and dou f by dou y. So now dou f by dou x is equal at a1 a2. You remember the definition of partial derivative. Limit h tends to 0, f of a1 plus h a2 minus f of a1 a2 upon h. Okay, so here our point is x naught y naught. So dou f by dou x at x naught y naught, f of a1, value of a1 is x naught, value of a2 is y naught. So f of x naught plus h y naught minus f of x naught y naught upon h. Okay, function is x plus y, that is sin x naught plus h y naught minus sin x naught plus y naught upon h. This f of x naught plus h y naught means what? Sin x naught plus y naught. Okay, so here sin a minus sin b. So you are using the rule of sin a minus sin b, which is 2 cos a plus b upon 2 into sine A minus B upon 2. We study in last semester also. I am giving you all the formulas for this: sine A minus sine B, sine A plus sine B, cos A plus cos B, cos A minus cos B, and so on. Okay, so first we are calculating dou f by dou x at x naught y naught. That means limit x tends to 0, limit h tends to 0. This sine A minus sine B becomes 2 cos, value of A is here x naught plus h and value of B is y naught. So 2 x naught plus 2 y naught plus h upon 2 A plus B sine A minus B, sine A minus B. Here A is what? A is what? Your x naught plus h plus y naught is A and x naught plus y naught is B. A minus B. This minus this. This minus this means what? Your x naught and x naught will cancel. Y naught and y naught will cancel and remains only h. So sine h by 2 upon h. Okay. So this is equal to 2. We'll take outside the limit. Cos of 2x naught plus 2y naught plus h upon 2 into sine h by 2 upon h. Okay. So this will equal to 2 into limit h tends to 0. Cos of 2x naught plus 2y naught plus h by 2, and separating the limit h tends to 0, sine h by 2 upon this h. Okay. Now you remember the formula for limit x tends to 0, sin x upon x is equal to 1. ओके, साइनचा जो अँगल असतो तोच डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये असेल तर साइनच्या लिमिटची व्हॅल्यू 1 येते. इथे साइनचा अँगल आहे h by 2 and denominator contains only h. So we are adjusting 2 here. Oh, what a fun. Okay, so we are adjusting 2 here. We get limit h tends to 0, sine h by 2 upon h by 2 into 2. Okay, we will adjust here divided by 2 and multiplying by 2 in the denominator. Okay, so h by 2 into h by 2. So these 2 and 2 will cancel. Okay, so limit h tends to 0, sine h by 2 upon h by 2. This limit has value 1. This remains 2 and this 2 cos म्हणजे 2 हे दोन 2 एकमेकांशी cancel होतील and only remains limit h tends to 0, cos of 2x naught plus 2y naught plus h upon 2. Okay, that is 2 cos x naught plus y naught into half. Okay, substituting value of h is equal to 0, we get here remains only cos of x naught plus y naught. So sin of x plus y, value of sin x plus y, derivative is its cos x plus y. Similarly, dou f by dou y at x naught y naught is also gives you cos x naught plus y naught. Okay, so this example, these are very simple examples. I am going to give you any one assignment for this. Solve this assignment. And any difficulty, ask me anytime. Okay.